understanding the different meanings of plastered. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the English language and uncover the meanings behind the word plastered. This word can be quite confusing as it holds different meanings in different contexts. So, whether you are an English language learner or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, you are in the right place. Let's get started. One of the most common uses of the word plastered is to describe someone who is extremely drunk. When someone says, "He was completely plastered last night," they mean that the person had consumed a lot of alcohol and was very intoxicated. It is important to note that this usage of the word has a negative connotation and implies that the person had lost control due to excessive drinking. Moving to a completely different context, plastered can also refer to a surface that has been covered with plaster. Plaster is a mixture of water, sand, and a binding agent like cement, which is used to coat walls and ceilings to create a smooth surface. For example, the walls were freshly plastered and ready for painting. In this context, plastered indicates a finishing process in construction or renovation. Another way the word plastered is used is to describe something being completely covered or smothered with a substance. For instance, after the food fight, he was plastered in ketchup and mustard. Here, plastered helps to create a vivid image of how much ketchup and mustard was on him. And there you have it. The word plastered can have several meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. From describing a state of extreme intoxication, to referring to a construction process, and even describing something being thoroughly covered, plastered is a versatile word in the English language. We hope this video has helped clarify its meanings for you, and as always, happy learning!